Welcome to this tutorial. So today we will look at what we call arithmetic progression, which is AP. So AP is an abbreviation for arithmetic progression. So in this tutorial we are going to look at an example. An example says given the sequence 11, 5, -1, -6, find the 1/6th term to the 10th term. So these are our two examples that you have been given in this question. So they say given the sequence 11, 5, -1 and -6. What would be, in fact, not -6 but -7. Find the 6th term and find the 10th term. So how do we find the 10th term and how do we find the 6th term? So to do that, we need to apply a formula. So our formula is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 times D, where D is our common difference and A is the first term, then n is the term that we are finding, the number of terms. So in this case, we are asked to find the 6th term and we also need to find the 10th term. So this side here we come up with our data, so that we know what is needed on this formula. So we need A, which is our first term and it's 11. We also need n. N is the number of term. So for the first question we have to find the 6th term, so that is 6, and D is our common difference. So what is our common difference? Our common difference is calculated by the formula T2 minus T1. So what is our T2 and our T1? So our T2 is 5 and our T1 is 11. So we'll say 5 minus 11, which will give us -6. So our common difference is -6. Now that we have all the details that we need, we go straight to finding our 6th term and 10th term. So with all that said, let's go straight into finding now our answers. So question 1, we have to find the 6th term. So I'm saying Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. So I'm saying T6 will be equal to 11 plus 6 minus 1 times -6. So we just now need to simplify that one. So we are saying 11 plus 6 minus 1 is 5. So we are saying 5 times -6. So here we have now 11. Positive by negative, we have a minus. 5 times 6, we have 30. So our final answer here, we consider the signs. So 11 is positive and 30 is negative. So different signs we subtract, get a sign from a bigger number. So this is going to be now negative. If we remove 1 from 10, we remain with 9. And here, if we remove 1 from 2, because we are borrowing, that we remain with 2 here, then we put 1 there, it makes a 10. So now 1 minus 10 is 9, and 2 minus 11 is 1. Minus 2 is 1. So we have 19. So this is our final answer. So our 6th term is -19. So that's how you subtract. You always get a sign from a bigger number. number. Question 2, we are saying find the 10th term. So we are using the same formula, and the only thing that is going to change is the number of terms. So with the first one, we add the 6th term. This time around now, n becomes 10. So we are saying Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times G. So we are saying that our number of terms has now changed to 10. So wherever there is n, you put 10. So you say T10 will be equal to, our first term is still 11 plus 10 minus 1 times negative 6, which is again our common difference. So we simplify further, saying 11 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, then times negative 6. So negative 6 by 9, you get negative 54. So you are saying 11 minus 54. So again, we need to subtract. We remove 11 from 54. But the question itself says 11 minus 54. This is not actually possible for you to remove a bigger number from a smaller number. But because you've looked at integers, we have a number line, we consider the signs. So different signs, we make sure to say you subtract and get a sign from a bigger number. So in this case, we are saying 54 minus 11. 4 minus 1 is 3, and 5 minus 1 is 4. But our bigger number is 54, and it is carrying a negative. Therefore, our final answer is going to be negative 43. So this is what we are expecting to find on the 10th position, or our 10th term. So our 10th term is negative 43, and our 6th term is negative 19. So therefore, these are two answers that we were expecting.